If you ever wanted to do something like this, check this video out. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So today I want to show you how to utilize a notification, if you will, within a card to allow people on the front end that are utilizing your dashboard to be reminded to utilize the slicers. Now, oftentimes we build things and then we don't have the front end users really utilize everything that they can to drill down to certain data points. So I'm going to show you how you can remind them simply and efficiently by including text-based input within a card. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and create a measure, and let's just call this smart card. We're going to say equals. We're going to start with the if statement. We're going to say is filtered. So is filtered is going to allow you to select a column or a table. Now I'm going to do table because I want to allow the end user to look at anything within the entire table based upon what I input within this entire DAX expression. You can do specific columns, but the downside to specific columns is going to be you have to then list each one individually with an OR operator, which is a double pipe. And I could show you that as a later time. However, this table one is going to be an individual table with no interconnections. But if you do have interconnections, that may return a different result. So you just have to keep that in mind as you're building. But I'm going to put employees, and I'm going to close that up, put a comma, we're going to go down to the next line, and we're going to put our measure that we want to use. So whatever we filter on those slicers, now this is the value that I'm going to return once I select something on those slicers. So I'm going to put total personnel just for time being, and then now return if false. It's going to be the last part of the if expression. So what I'm just going to say is select slicer. I'll close that up since it's a text with double quotation, and we're just going to run this. So this is my entire expression. We're going to bring a card over. We're going to input the smart card, and now we have the select slicer text. So if I want to select title and I want to do all the analyst, I have 208 analysts, and I could format this as well. And here we have our total. Now let's get a little bit more fancy. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back into it. After the select slicer, let's just say we want to orient somebody to where the slicers are, for instance. I'm going to press the Windows key and press period at the same time. And now you'll have all your emojis come up. So you can select whatever emoji you want and input that. So I'm just going to select the arrow, and it's automatically going to come up like this. Now, I don't want the blue icon because it doesn't match my canvas. I'm just going to press the backspace one time, and it's automatically going to format to exactly what I want, which is the same type of format as what I have here. Now I'm going to run that, and just like that, I have the same exact format. And now I can place this wherever I want, and I can tell people, okay, hey, look at these slicers because the arrow is pointing this way. Or if you wanted an arrow pointing to the right, you can do that too and toss that up here in the corner. With that said, hopefully this video helps you out. Let me know your thoughts down below, and thanks for watching.